Don't watch this video unless you want to manifest the partner of your dreams. Matter of fact, when I did this, I attracted my soulmate in just 4 days. 3 steps. Number 1, bring out a pen and paper and write down the names of everybody who's ever hurt you that you can remember. Whether or not you feel like you deserve to be forgiven or not, doesn't matter. Because what's keeping you stuck isn't that you're not forgiving them, is that you aren't releasing them. So you gotta release their energy. So write their names down, and when it's done, when you have it all there, crumple that paper and burn it. And by burning it, you're releasing that energy from yourself. Second, put out another piece of paper and write down everything that you want in a partner. Everything that you want. Your desires, what do they like, what do you have in common? How are they? As detailed as you can. And you keep that, of course. You keep that paper, you never let it go. Third step is you surrender and just live life in a high vibration. Take care of yourself. Do things that you love and do things that you're fond of that makes your heart sing. And what ends up happening is when you're in a higher vibration, your partner actually will find you at higher vibrations because manifestation happens faster at higher vibrations. Therefore, whoever's looking for you right now will find you if you do just 3 steps.